turn your profits to the capital so that your business can keep progressing. Okay, if you eat up the profit, your business will remain stagnant. Don't eat all of your profit. You can spend out of the profit, but don't eat your profit. Rather, return it into your capital so that your business can keep growing. Okay, you heard me right. Hello everyone, once again you are welcome to my channel. Okay, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for all the time you keep spending watching my video. I appreciate you. I just want to point out some of these things to us. It came to my notice, and I think I should let us know. I should let us know things we should not do during our soul businesses. When we are entering into soul businesses, or when we are in the soul business, things we should not do. Okay, if you watch my live streaming some days ago, I talked about 5 things to consider if you want to go into soul business production. I hope you have watched it. If you have not, you need to watch it. Okay, and get one thing or the other. Okay, so today I'll be talking about things we should not do during our soul production business. If you want to really go into this business properly, you shouldn't do this. Number 1, the very number 1 that you should not do is don't borrow to start a business. Don't borrow to start a business. You heard me right. Don't go into loan taking. Number 1, don't go into loan taking. Why shouldn't you go? Because it's a journey you have never gone through before. It's a place you have never been before. So going through it with borrowed money is dangerous. Yes, they have told you the business is profitable, is this and that one, is this one and that one. So you want to go into it. No, don't borrow. Have you not heard of people that borrowed to start a business, and before you know, the business collapse, and so they are in great stress of how to get the money back? Don't listen to that advice. I know all these loan givers, they are happy to give out loans. They think they are helping. Yes, they are happy in some instances, but you will find out they don't help when they want to get their loan back. They don't help. They will get their loan by all means. If you listen to my other video, things to consider, make sure you get your capital first before you go into the business. No matter how small the capital is, use the capital you have. If profit comes, fine. If it doesn't come, there won't be stress of returning or paying back any loan or any debt. Okay? Then number 2, don't eat up your capital. You heard me right. Don't eat up your capital. Don't use every money you have to chocolate, to eat, to attend to things. My advice is, when you want to start any business, make sure you have different section, different percentage for your capital, different percentage for your domestic need, for friends, relative, you want to attend to them. Let there be separate account for them, so that you know the one you are putting into your business and the one you are expecting profit for. And if for any reason the ones you have set aside for relative, for friends, finishes, don't go to your capital, except you want to kill the business. Have you seen farmer eat up their seed? Farmers don't eat the seed. Rather, farmer preserve the seed to make sure they have something to plant for the next season. For the next production, they always have seed. If they eat up the seed, what do you think they will eat? plant next time. So don't ever eat up your capital, no matter how much you are pressed, except you want to close up that business. Except you want to close up the business. So don't eat your capital. Then number three, don't lend out your capital. Don't give out for charity's sake, so that they don't call you bad person. You give out your capital. Hey brother, hey, this one has happened, no, please help. And you are trying to explain, my brother, my sister, all that remains is just my capital. I say, sister, bring it, brother, bring it, I will pay you back. And if that person doesn't pay back, what do? Your business will have collapsed. Don't lend out your capital. Don't give anybody. Don't give anybody. I want to make this video as brief as possible. Don't give anybody. And then the number 4, try to turn your profits into your capital. I just concluded live streaming now, and then somebody was asking, and there's low demand, how do you handle the business? I told the person, should make sure that the goods are still, his or her product are still good. You can watch that one to live stream. That one is fuller than this one, because I want to make this one as simple, as short as possible. I want everybody to benefit from it. So though, as much as possible, don't turn your profit back to the capital, so that the business can keep expanding. Okay, don't eat up the profit. If you eat the profit, your business will remain stagnant, and moreover, things increase day by day. The money you started with might not buy the quantity of what you bought before. So as much as possible, turn your profits to the capital, so that your business can keep progressing. Okay, if you eat up the profit, your business will remain stagnant. Don't eat all of your profit. You can spend out of the profit, but don't eat your profit. Rather, return it into your capital, so that your business can keep growing. Okay, you heard me right. Don't eat up all the profit. Return it to your capital, and then you'll find that your business keep progressing. See you in my next video. Don't forget one thing, that I run on classes. I run training online, and then I also run physically, that is on one-to-one, if that's what you want. If you want for the online, beautiful, reach me on the number written on your screen. And of course, I have ebook, well detailed ebook with a lot of things to learn in it. You will learn so much, and just a token. I mean, it's a token. See you in my next video. Bye, and God bless.